Hello everyone and welcome to Barcelona for MWC 2023, and we're here today to discuss the collaboration between Wind River and Elisa. And joining us today are Nicola Marziliano, Vice President of International Telco Sales at Wind River, and Markus Kinnunen, Vice President Cloud Services at Elisa. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
And I guess we have to start with this very exciting and recent announcement. It's the fact that you're working together to build Europe's first distributed and fully automated edge cloud for 5G. And it's the world first, isn't it? So, Markus, tell us more about it.
Thank you. It has been a really exciting journey. We as Elisa has been doing the automation for over 10 years already, and one of the leading operators in this field. Also, we have been the first one commercially, or first in the world, one of the first in the world commercially launching 5G also. And now when going forward and looking different use cases and how to bring the benefits to our end customers, we really need to distribute our capabilities in the edge of the network to make it possible for low latency and different high security and high throughput capabilities. And this is something that we have been doing together and launching now first commercially in Europe with Wind River.
So, Nicola, what about Wind River's role in all of this? What help do you provide?
Wind River is providing the cloud platform that is cloud native, Kubernetes, cloud distributed. It is based on Starlink X, open source, fully Kubernetes platform that is designed to be fitting, exactly as Markus said, a geo-distributed challenge of having a multi-cloud and distributed cloud, for which the platform is not only providing the cloud infrastructure, but as well as the automation and the analytics to orchestrate and manage from day zero, day one, day two, which is also very much part of the Elisa DNA, which is also fully automating operation and scaling up networks.
So, Markus, how do you see the collaboration between partners evolve? And how do you plan to work together to deliver all those wonderful things?
It has been really insightful to see how we collaborate together from the day zero already starting. And when I ask from my team also, they tell me immediately that this is something different than typical vendor-customer relationship. It's more of a partnership where actually together we have already done this a couple of years now, but now all the time we are a collaborating weekly basis, and the teams are working together in a way that the competence that Wind River has in their field, it's something that actually transfers the competence to our experts as well. So it's really good.
So, Nicola, what are some of the most interesting things you've heard so far this year at MWC, and how do you expect them to manifest over the course of the year?
We have seen in the 1.5 days of the Mobile Congress emerging trend. One is clearly the radio performance, but the second one that is, in my opinion, more relevant was about the availability for silicon for accelerator, which is one of the expected market availability to push further the RAN and all-RAN utilization. And probably on the top, for me, the number one emerging trend, which is the energy consumption and energy saving optimization. Everybody knows about the economical crisis due to the war and the cost of energy. Radio is one of the major cost drivers. Operators are very sensible about OPEX and energy consumption expenditure. Everything that is driving down the cost and having energy savings and energy optimization is going to be key. So that is a trending topic that, in my opinion, is going to be more and more relevant in 2023. Operator will be focused. We do have a plan as Wind River to further enhance what we have been already experimenting with some partners, and we will do with Elisa to optimize and automate the utilization of energies at the site level to reduce down the cost.
Markus, what's your vision at Elisa? What do you expect next? And How do you expect things to move forward and evolve?
Well, overall, I am expecting that we will do more automation. So, in the vision, it's kind of a zero-touch operations overall, and we are on a good way to achieve that goal going forward. And this is something that has been, like Nicola said already, in our system of doing over 10 plus years already, and we are selling these things to other operators as well. So doing this with Wind River, who is also doing a cloud native zero touch deployments, and we are using their orchestrator to do the cloud deployments at the moment. And next step eventually should, of course, be the day two kind of an operations automatically do the life cycle management in all of our operations, what we do with the edge cloud provisionings, for example.
So, Nicola, how will you work together to deliver this vision?
I don't want to disclose any secret source, but what we learned from Elisa, it's a very simple 3 steps. Practice, learn, repeat. That is what we learned from them. That is what we are keep learning from Elisa. And the plan now is, to Markus' point of automating, what we are now moving to the next is to industrialize what we have been doing and make it repeatable all over and over and over. That's the plan.
Nicola, Markus, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Thank you.